Hi, my name is Santi. I live in Switzerland and I'm a long life learner who thrives on challenges. I am a big fan of Sherlock Holmes. However, in my professional life, I don't investigate crimes, but businesses. I've always been passionate about strategy. In fact, when someone asks my little daughter, "What do I do?" she says,
Pops is always making plans.
For many years, I worked in data and analytics. That helps me build approaches that turns ideas into results. I am also an aspiring leader. I truly like to help people around me and see them succeed. As Robert Greenleaf said, good leaders must first become good servants. In the last 20 years, I've been doing lots of things, and I was lucky to work for some great companies. I even found time to create my own analytics methodology and launch several courses. But stop talking about myself. Let others do it. I am pleased to offer my expertise, passion, and energy to grow together. I will use information and agile methods to build effective plans that will lead individuals, teams, and departments to achieve your company goals. In today's world, without data and a strategy, it's easy to make the wrong choice. Interested? Please connect with me and get in touch. Thank you.